Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My name is Wasim Sadiq and I have been working with the Scholar Science College, and as a management team member, we have initiated one more thing for the benefit of not only our students but the student across the world. And this initiative is basically to help our students not only inside the campus but those who are around the world, and those who are willing to enhance their knowledge and those who are having lust for learning. So the Scholar Science College has initiated this project of video lectures for the students and for those who want to learn. And this initiative is basically encompasses all the subjects like physics, chemistry, biology, English, Urdu, even our core compulsory subject that is Islamic studies and Pak studies. You will find these wonderful lectures from our wonderful faculty members, those who are having a lot of experience and multicultural exposure, and they will help you to get the best of best in Pakistan. And we just want to help our students not only inside our campus but also across Pakistan and the whole humanity, which is surely the target of all the teachers and all those who love knowledge, because knowledge is the power that is just going to shed away the darkness which we all are willing to put it away from us and to live and to make a wonderful world. And this is the universal message the Scholar Science College is willing to give to all. Thank you very much for listening this one. I would love that you should have a critical eye on our lectures. Give us your suggestion, give us your constructive feedback. Surely it will help us to improve the quality, and your feedback is not only just for us, it is for thousands and even the millions of viewers, those who are going to see these wonderful lectures. Thank you very much for your kind listening. See you.